Dear students, welcome back. In the previous class, the last problem is problem number 10. Let's go to new topic. So that is product of two matrices. What is the definition? A equals to AIK where order is m by n, and B equals to BKJ order is n by p. Be two matrices, so then the matrix C equals to Cij order is m by p. Once you observe the order of the first matrix here, m by n. Okay. Next to second matrix order is n by p. So observe carefully, and the product matrix order is m by p. So number of columns in the first matrix should be equals to number of rows in the second matrix, then only product will be possible, otherwise we cannot multiply the two matrices. So number of columns in the first matrix should be equals to number of columns in the rows in the second matrix. Okay, and this product is denoting as a AB. So A into B, we know very well A into B, we are writing AB. Okay, and in this product how the elements defined. So here how define the elements given the condition Cij equals to sigma k equals to 1 to n Aik into Bkj. So first of all, I think you don't know what is the meaning of sigma, so I will explain now. See here, sigma k equals to 1 to n Aik Bkj. So it is equals to sigma nothing but addition. First k equals to 1, so ai1 b1j. Next k equals to 1, 1 after 2, ai2 b2j, and sigma nothing but you have to put the plus symbol. Next plus, next to 2 completed, next to k equals to 3, so ai3 b3j plus, so it will continue until k equals to n. So sigma nothing but we have to add the terms, that's it. Let's do some problems on this product, then you will understand very clearly. So here exercise 3b, first bit is find the following products wherever possible. See, he gave the two matrices. Let's do the product. So first matrix order. Before going to do the product, first you have to verify the condition. What is that condition? Number of columns in the first matrix should be equals to number of rows in the second matrix. So first matrix order is 1 row 3 columns, and second matrix order is 3 rows 1 column. So here number of rows in the first matrix is equals to number of columns number of columns in the first matrix equals to number of rows in the second matrix. So definitely product is possible. And what is the order of the product matrix? 1 by 1. So here 1, here 1. So 1 by 1 is the order of the product answer matrix. Okay. See here how I am multiplying the two matrices. Here first row multiply with first column. See here first element is minus 1 into 5, next to 4 into 1, next to 2 into 3. So now put the plus symbol between them. And what is the order of the answer matrix here? 1 by 1. So 1 row 1 column, that's it. So minus 1 into 5 is minus 5, 4 into 1 is 4, and 2 3s are 6. So minus 5 plus 4 minus 1, minus 1 plus 6 is 5. So the answer is 5 and its order is 1 by 1. Next second problem is here the first matrix order is 2 columns and 3 rows, and second matrix order is 3 rows and 1 column. So first matrix order is 2 rows 3 columns, second matrix order is 3 rows 1 column. So here number of columns in the first matrix is equals to number of rows in the second matrix. So product is possible. And what is the order of the answer matrix, that means product answer matrix, 2 by 1. So 2 rows 1 column will be get in the answer matrix. See, first row multiply with first column. See, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 4 into 1. So first row first column completed. Next to second row second column. The second row second column, whether here or here, so definitely here you will get, not here. Okay, so because we are multiplying second row with the first column, so when you are starting with the new row, so here new row will come. Okay, so next 6 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. So finally, once you observe the order, 2 rows and 1 column. Okay, so it is equals to, see, 2 ones are 2, 1 into 2 2, 4 into 1 4, 6 into 6, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, 3 into 1 is 3. So it is equals to 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 6 minus 4 2, 2 plus 3 5. So what is the order of the answer matrix? 2 rows and 1 column. Next to third question, 3 minus 2 1 6. So order is 2 by 2. 4 minus 1 2 5. Its order also 2 by 2. Here number of columns in the first matrix is equals to number of rows in the second matrix. So product is possible. And what is the order of the answer matrix? Definitely 2 by 2. Because here last one, extremes will come as a order here. See here, observe carefully, first row first column, so 3 into 4 plus minus 2 into 2. Okay, next same first row but second column, so 3 into minus 1 plus minus 2 into 5. So first row first column, first row second column completed. Next second row first column. Now I am preparing the new row here, because we are starting with the new row. So 1 into 4 plus 6 into 2. Next same second row but multiply with the second column. So 1 into minus 1 plus 6 into 5. So finally the order is here 2 by 2. So it is equals to 3 4s are 12, minus 4, minus 3, minus 10, 4 1s are 4, 6 2s are 12, minus 1, 6 5s are 30. So it is equals to 12 minus 4 how much? 8 minus 13, 4 plus 12 16, 29. So its order is 2 by 2. Next to fourth problem, see here, first matrix order is 3 rows 3 columns. Second matrix order is same 3 rows 3 columns. So here number of columns in the first matrix equals to number of rows in the second matrix. So product is possible. And what is the order of the answer matrix? Here extremes 3 by 3. See here, first row first column, 2 into minus 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Next same first row second column, 2 into minus 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2. So next same first row but multiply with the third column. So here 2 into 4 plus 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 2. Okay. Next second row first column. So here second row, first row completed already. Now second row means you start the second row, new row now. So here 1 into minus 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Next same second row but second column. So 1 into minus 3 plus 0 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Now same second row but multiply with the third column. So 1 into 4 plus 0 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 2. So now third row first column. So third row is 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Next third row second column 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Next third row third column now. So 2 into 4 plus 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 2. So here I simplified the first one, minus 4 plus 4 plus 1. Next here 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 2 2s are 4 and 1 2s are 2. Next here 2 4s are 8, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 and 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Next here 1 into minus 2 minus 2, 0 into 2 is 0 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Next 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, 0 into 2 is 0 and 2 into 2 is 4. Next here 1 into 4 is 4, 0 into minus 3 is 0 and 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Next here 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 and 1 into 2 is 2 and here 2 into 1 is 2. Next here 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 1 into 2 is 2 and 2 into 2 is 4. Next here 2 into 4 8 and 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. So let's simplify. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel 1. See here 4 plus 2 is 6, so minus 6 cancel 0. Here 8 minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8, so 8 minus 8 answer is 0. Next to minus 2 plus 2 cancel 0. So here minus 3 plus 0 plus 4 answer is 1. 4 minus 4 cancel answer is 0. Here minus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Here 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus minus 4 0. Next 2 plus 4 6. Minus 6 plus 6 answer is 0. And here minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7 and here 8. 8 minus 7 answer how much? 1. So it is which type of matrix? Exactly I3. I3 means identity matrix. Okay. 3 means its order. So its order is 3 by 3. So it is denoting with I3 also. Next fifth question. 3 4 9 0 minus 1 5 2 6 12. So its order is very clear, 3 by 3. And second matrix is how many rows are there? 2 rows are there. How many columns? 3 columns are there. So here number of columns in the first matrix and number of rows in the second matrix are not equal. So then here product is not possible. So this is the reason you have to mention in your exam. Next one is sixth question. So what is the order of first matrix? See here 3 rows are there and 1 column. So 3 by 1. So next 2 rows and how many columns are there? 3 columns. So here also what happened? Number of columns in the first matrix is not equals to number of rows in the second matrix. So sixth question product also not possible. Next seventh question 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 and 1 1 1. First matrix 2 by 2 and second matrix also 2 by 2. So number of columns in the first matrix and number of rows in the second matrix are equal. So then product is possible and the order of the answer matrix is also 2 by 2. So it is same like a third question. because here also 2 by 2, 2 by 2 matrix. So how I explained the third problem, in the same way you do the seventh problem. So its answer is 0 matrix. So all elements are zeros. Okay, try it. Next is 8th question. First matrix order is 3 by 3. Second matrix order also 3 by 3. Number of columns in the first matrix equals to number of rows in the second matrix. So product is possible, and the answer matrix order is 3 by 3. First row and first column, 0 into a square plus c into ab plus minus b into ac. Okay. Next first row, second column, 0 into ab plus c into b square plus minus b into bc. So here I am simplifying because I don't have a space to write next to one. 0 into a square is 0 plus c into ab is abc and minus b into ac is minus abc. Next 0 into ab is 0, b square c. Next minus b into bc is minus b square c. Next third one. Next same first row but multiply with third column. See here, 0 into AC is 0, C into BC, B square, C square B, okay. Next minus B into C square minus B C square. So next minus CAC, second row, first column. See, minus c into a square minus c a square. 0 into ab is 0, a into ac, a square c. Next same second row but multiply with the second column. See here, minus c into ab minus abc. 0 into b square is 0, a into bc, abc. Next same second row but multiply with third column. Minus c into ac minus ac square. 0 into bc is 0. Next a into c square, ac square. Next one, third row multiply with first column. See, b into a square, ba square. Next minus a into ab minus abc. Next 0 into ac is 0. Sorry, here minus a into ab, a square b, 0 into AC, 0. Next same third row but multiply with the second column. So b into ab, a b square minus a into b square minus a b square. Next 0 into bc is 0. Next same third row multiply with third column. B into AC, ABC minus A into BC minus ABC, and 0 into C square how much? 0. Okay. So now let's simplify. ABC and minus ABC cancel. So here next here b square c minus b square c cancel, c square b minus bc square cancel, minus a square plus a square c minus abc plus abc. So I think all are cancelled. So the final answer is here 0. Next here 0, here also 0, 0, 0, 0. So finally we got the 3 by 3 matrix. It is denoting with O 3 by 3. Next, second bit, A, B, two matrices are given. A, B, B, A exist or not? If they exist, find them. Do A and B commute with respect to multiplication? So I will explain this problem in the next class. Thank you.